Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Nalda Secondary Online School, Nalda Pocket at Bucket. Welcome to Nalda Secondary Online School. How are you, my dear students? I am fine. I think that you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Before starting my class, let me introduce myself. This is A. Shukur Ali Khan, Assistant Teacher English, Nalda Secondary School, Nalda Pocket at Bucket. My dear students, today I present a wonderful presentation of class 9 and 10 English second paper, English grammar and composition. Let us start our class. At first, I will show you some pictures. Already you have seen here some pictures. First picture was that is times. Second picture saying. Third picture was. Fourth picture love. Chain. Before, after, till, until, when, while, so long as, next, then. My dear students, what do the photos and text say? Do you know? Can't you imagine what will be the discussed today, my dear students? Yes, our today's lesson is sentence connector. Sentence connector, class 9-10. So let us start our class. Learning outcomes of the lesson. That means by the end of the lesson, students will be able to find out time-related connectors, give example of time-functional connectors, use time-related linking words, oblique connectors, filling the gaps, solve the problem using the connectors. This was the main aim my class. Okay, let us start our class. So before starting our class, at first we watch a video. Okay, already you have finished. You have seen here three pictures. The train leave the station. We reach the station. We reach the station when the train left. When, to express type of function. Here is an example. The train leave the station. We reach the station. We do it. We reach the station when the train left. When, to express time of function. Here when, to express time of function. Next example. The train left the station. We reach the station. Here, the train left the station after we had reached there. The train left the station after we had reached there. Here, after. Wait, return. Wait here until I return. Here until connectors. My dear students, wait here, wait and return. Wait here until I return. Sleep while read. While connectors. While sleeping, you are reading. While sleeping, you are reading. Here, while is connectors. Similarly, Use must go out when connectors. Use must go out. Here use must when you go out. My dear students, use must when you go out. Here when connectors. Follow breathe as long as. Follow the rules of health as long as you breathe. Follow the rules of health as long as you breathe. Here as long as is connectors. Wash and damage. Wash your hands 20 seconds till your hands are unsafe from. Wash your hands 20 seconds till your hands are unsafe from. Before. Read and write. Read more before you start writing. Here before also is a connectors. Read more before you start writing. Play time when connectors. Play when it is time for playing. Play when it is time for playing. Here when also is a connectors. As long as. Remain honest. Can you make a sentence, my dear students, as long as? Yes. As long as. Yes. As long as you remain honest, you will succeed. As long as you remain honest. Oral presentation. Here. Fill in the gaps with appropriate connectors. Bangladesh has 6 seasons. Dash it is the rain season. It rains heavily. Dash rains. Road becomes muddy and slippery. Wait here, dash. Go. Dash. I was waiting at the bus stop. My friend Van Nagin was walking home. She had reached home. Dash the train. Here answer. Bangladesh has 6 seasons. When it is the rainy season, it rains heavily. After rain, road becomes muddy and slippery. Wait here until the train stops. While I was waiting at the bus stop, my friend Van Six was walking home. She had reached before the train left. Let's try ourselves. First connectors. Give an example of time function linker. Tell me use of when, which is used to mean up to. What is the difference between before and after? Homework. Write are the difference between teen and unteen. 1. Thank you, my dear student. Thank you a lot.